Asma Ahmed, and this is my GovGuide AI. My submission to the G7 GovAI Rapid Solution Labs. This prototype is designed to help Canadians and public servants understand complex government policies, forms, and regulations by translating them into clear, plain language explanations. Government is often long and difficult to navigate, and this tool aims to make it more accessible, explainable, and consistent. So this is my UI. Right now, clients and public servants often struggle with policies that are hundreds of words long, contain multiple conditions, and require careful interpretation. This leads to delays, errors, and frustration. So Government Guide AI directly addresses this problem statement 2 from the challenge. Policies and regulations are complex to navigate, and clients need clear guidance. So if you see here, this is a text box, and for this demo, I'll be using a realistic example based on the permanent resident card renewal process. It contains eligibility rules, mandatory documents, applications, and compliance requirements, and several steps, all of which Government AI is designed to break down clearly. So I'm going to be pasting that now. So here you go, that's there. And there's also a URL option as well. So then you just press the analyze policy. So after I pasted it, normally this content is spread across multiple pages on canada.ca, but GovGuideAI can read it in a single block and extract the most important information. So now that I've clicked analysis, you can see how it was very quick and got the information very efficiently. And the system processes the text and organizes information into sections that are easier for clients and public servants to use. The high-level summary gives a quick explanation of what the policy is about, and in this case, we're renewing a PR card. So here's the high-level summary and the key obligations in jot notes as well, and then eligibility signals, required documentation, documents, as well as just the steps and action. So there it clearly shows very important things that could be useful for the client to look into, or citizens of Canada. So the key obligations, GovAI identifies requirements like meeting the 370-day resident obligation, signing the declaration, reporting changes to personal info, and responding to IRCC requests. So the eligibility indicators like fiscal presence requirements, exceptions for accommodating Canadian citizens abroad and citizens, and criteria for urgent processing. And the tool detects required documents, which includes passport copies, residence proof, employment record, etc., and documents needed for urgent travel. Finally, the steps in action, which outline what applicants need to do, such as completing an document package, uploading documents, signing the forms, and monitoring their account for requests, and providing fingerprints for travel records if needed. So this prototype was intended designed using an explainable rule-based approach instead of relying on a opaque AI model. This time we use transparent text pattern logic so public servants can understand exactly how the information was generated. There's no automated decision making, no personal information is used or stored, so it protects the privacy. And also, all analysis happens locally in the browser, aligning with Government of Canada Responsible AI and OECD principles. So, Government AI follows WCAG accessibility guidelines and uses clear, plain language outputs, and it can integrate with online profiles, content tools, or an integral knowledge-based, very simple AI. This approach is scalable across different departments like IRCC, CRA, CCC, Service Canada, and provincial sectors as well. Because the architecture is lightweight and transparent, it can be deployed quickly and adapt to other policies, forms, grants, and benefit programs. In summary, Government AI, GovGuideAI makes complex information easier to understand, reduces errors, improves accessibility, and supports responsible AI in government. Thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for the opportunity to participate in the G7 GovAI Rapid Solutions Labs. I'm Asma Ahmed, and thank you again for this opportunity. I hope you enjoyed my app. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.